Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video you're going to learning about how to manage the two-factor authentication of your Facebook profile. Do you want to make your Facebook profile secure and want to turn on your two-factor authentication? So don't worry, because you're going to learning each and everything about your two-factor authentication. So before we start, my name is Stark and you're watching the Starkness Guide YouTube channel, on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what you're waiting for, just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys, so let's dive into it. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. After that, what you all have to do is tap that profile picture in the top right corner to come to your menu section. Once you come to your menu section, just simply tap on the gear to open up your settings and privacy. In your settings and privacy, just simply go for privacy checkup. In tools and resources option, just simply tap on it like that, and then tap on the second option, how to keep your account secure. Just simply tap on it. Basically, it's a very important factor to keep your account secure. Just simply tap continue, and here you can also turn on your login alerts if you want. Just simply tap on that option and toggle it on like that, and then after that tap next. And then from here you can also change your password. Just simply tap at change password, and here give you detail and tap at save changes. I'm gonna skipping it for the sake of this video. Just simply tap on it like that. After that, at the end you get the your main option, two-factor authentication. I have turned it on already, because so that's why it says manage. Here you get an option of turn on. Just simply tap at turn on. I'm gonna type in and manage. Just tap on it like that. So that's where you can easily manage your two-factor authentication. I have selected my phone number to get a text message on it whenever I make a login to my Facebook profile. Here you can get an authentication app, or you can get recovery codes or security key. Whatever you want, you can select over there, or you can select each and every option in order to make your account much more secure. And then if you have turned it on and you want to turn it off, you can just simply turn it off by tapping on that option, just like that. And once you tap at turn off, it will make sure that your two-factor authentication is turned off. I'm gonna not turning it off for the sake of this video. I'm gonna just tapping at cancel. So once you're done with it, just simply go back and tap next. So after that, tap at review another topic. So that's how you can easily do that. So I would help you guys. If it helps, then make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, just leave in the comment section below, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the screen. Goodbye till the next video.